Simplify your jewelry making endeavors with the TheBeadSmith's S-Lon Japan polyester beading thread. This line was developed in Japan to be delicate enough for knotting, yet rigid enough to thread beads without a needle. With this unique characteristic at your disposal, you can streamline your process and focus solely on unleashing your creativity. S-Lon Japan is available in 3 neutral hues: classic black, pristine white, and neutral khaki, as well as up to 3 sizes: medium, fine, and extra fine. Its versatility will shine as you craft projects with pearls, gemstones, crystals, and beads. It also lends itself beautifully to other DIY crafts, expanding your creative horizons. With its premium craftsmanship, needle-free usage, and multi-purpose applications, this thread is a must-have in the toolkit of every crafter and jewelry enthusiast, from beginning novice to seasoned artisan.